Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the phone can run Apple Intelligence. Update to the latest iOS so model improvements apply. Once updated, sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud to let the system learn your preferences. Now open Settings, find Apple Intelligence, and grant key permissions for photos, microphone, and location. This lets the assistant access context. These are the first actionable steps. Do them now so features like on-device personalization and context-aware suggestions work reliably. Once done with permissions, configure how Apple Intelligence behaves. Pick voice, response style, and levels of summarization so it matches your workflow. Next, enable app integrations for mail, messages, notes, and approved third-party apps to let the assistant act inside those contexts. Make custom shortcuts by assigning triggers, phrases, and automation timing. This turns a long process into a single voice command. Make sure to test each shortcut. Adjust scope and privacy settings to limit what data is accessible. You now use Apple Intelligence in real tasks. Ask for message summaries, draft replies, or quick photo edits to see behavior. As you work, refine settings, tweak privacy, learning frequency, and on-device processing to balance speed and data control. If results are off, restart the iPhone first, then check for iOS updates. If problems persist, reset Apple Intelligence settings to clear learned context and reconfigure permissions. This restores baseline behavior and usually resolves common issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.